Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mikko, this is Project Boxy, and today we are going to make pizza dough. This recipe was inspired by the king of making pizza, Maestro Vito Iacopelli. I will put a link to his channel in the description below. If you like pizza, go check this guy's channel out. He's been a big inspiration for my pizza making as well. And I'm actually trying out one of his pizza dough recipes today. This pizza dough is supposed to be really good, especially for home ovens, where the temperature is not as high as with the wood-fired ones. And this dough will be made by using dry yeast instead of fresh yeast. So let's take a look at the ingredients now. Alright, first up we got the flour, 1.5 kilos of Tipo 00 flour. I like to use Caputo Pizzeria flour. It's really good flour from Italy. Then we got 25 grams of salt, 1 liter of water, 50 grams of olive oil, 5 grams of dried yeast, and 5 grams of honey. I've never used honey on my dough before, but it's supposed to help with the fermentation. Let's see how it works. At the first stage, we only mix up the water, a little bit of flour, yeast and the honey just to get the fermentation started. And I like to use containers like this, where it's easy to mix everything together. So we put in the water, throw in the yeast, as well as the honey. And then we start mixing. Then mix in 2/3 of the flour, which is around 1 kilo in this case. Alright, and this is how it looks when there's the flour, honey and the yeast. Now we will put the lid on and let it rest for 1 hour. See you soon. Alright, an hour has passed and the dough looks like this. So as you can see, it's really moist, a little bit like porridge at this point. Now we add the rest of the ingredients in. The flour, salt and olive oil. And then we start working on the dough by mixing all together. Alright, so it took me like 10 minutes to get the dough look like this. Nice and smooth. Now what we will do with the dough is to put it in a container for another hour. A bit of flour on top, close the lid and see you on the flip side. So this is how the pizza dough looks after 1 hour of resting. Nice. So now we carefully remove it from the container. Like this. We split it in half. And now we can start balling the dough. And I want the dough balls to be around 250 grams. So I used the scale. I cut a piece which I think is around 250. I scale it. It's a bit too much. This is good. And I start forming the dough ball like this. So nice and easy. You fold the dough. And form the ball like this. You can finish it off here in the surface. And there you go. Now you put some flour in the container. Put the dough ball in and repeat. Look at this. sprinkle a little bit of more flour on top. And there you have it. Simply amazing dough balls. Take a cling film and make the container airtight. And after 6 to 8 hours, we are ready to make some pizza. Stay tuned. And now I got left with quite a bit of dough, so I will make more dough balls and freeze them. I will make a video later on to see how the frozen dough balls work. Alright, this is it for now. Stay tuned for how to use the pizza dough. Please subscribe not to miss the upcoming pizza adventures and dough experiments. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. Feel free to share my videos. And remember to check Maestro Vito Iacopelli's videos too. Enjoy and have a good one.